Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on designing your own printable wall art. When it comes to adding a touch of fall to your home, nothing beats personalized decorations created with creative Fabrica's studio. First, let's get started by clicking on Create New Design. You'll find a variety of preset sizes for your wall art. Choose one that fits your space, whether it's a large poster, a standard print, or a custom size. Remember, for the best print quality, set your DPI to 300. Now, let's set the scene with a cozy fall background. Studio offers plenty of options. You can choose a background image, a solid color, a cool pattern, or even upload your own photo. I'm opting for a background with warm, earthy tones and beautiful fall leaves. Next, let's add an image to the center of our canvas. How about a delicious piece of pumpkin pie? It's the perfect way to capture the essence of fall. Now it's time to add some text to your design. A quote phrase or word can really bring your art to life. Studio has a wide range of fonts to choose from, including elegant serifs and modern sans serifs. Don't be afraid to mix and match different font styles, sizes, and weights to create contrast and emphasize key elements. For color harmony, use the color picker to select colors directly from your design elements. This ensures that your wall art has a consistent and harmonious color scheme throughout. To make your wall art truly special, consider adding some additional graphics and elements. This could be anything from fall leaves, pumpkins, or any other graphics that enhance your design. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to make it print ready. Click Share, select Download, and save your design. Congratulations! You've designed your very own printable fall wall art using Studio. Now you can proudly display your creation, bringing a personalized touch of fall into your home. Happy designing!